Today, we are going to draw Suzy Sheep, Peppa Pig's loving friend. Step 1. We're going to draw a flat circle for the head. Draw 2 long rainbows for the ears. Draw 2 small circles. Then, put a tiny black dot inside. Draw a little circle for the nose. Under the nose, draw a big smile. And don't forget the circle for her blush. Now for the body, let's draw a round triangle. Let's give her some arms and legs so she can play. Last step, draw a fluffy cloud for the tail. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.